My name is Monique McIntosh, and I'm the co-founder of the Digital Disruption Agency and one of your trainers for the upcoming Social Media for Business workshop. First and foremost, it allows us to reach beyond our physical boundaries in terms of outside of Jamaica and even outside of the Caribbean. So we're talking about increased access to markets. We're talking about increasing ways that your clients and your customers can actually get in contact with you, whether it is before, during, or after a sale. And so as a part of a business objective and as a way for people who are serious about building either their brand or their actual business, it's a no-brainer, and it is actually critical to the success of any modern business operating in these times. So there are many ways that brands can build engagement online, and it really is dependent on what your organization's objectives are. So for some brands, it may be that they're looking to build brand loyalty, or you're trying to build brand awareness, versus you're trying to build retention. You're trying to keep people who are already your customers as your customers. So all of those different objectives would require or see a different type of engagement. So that's one thing that we have to understand first as we talk about engagement and getting our customers engaged with our brands online. Another thing that we have to keep in mind is that there are actually two different types of engagement. There's organic engagement, and then there's paid. So organic is where it's literally free. And paid engagement looks like ads. It may also look like paid influencer collaborations or campaigns. And so that's a open question. And if persons want to learn specific ways that can work for their business, they'll have to join us for the Social Media for Business workshop to see based on what you have outlined and organized as your business objective and what you're going after, how you will therefore identify different aspects of engagement or areas of engagement that will actually have an impact on your bottom line and what you're trying to accomplish as a business. Because engagement isn't just about likes, or isn't just about virality and more people seeing you. It's actually supposed to be a driving factor and a driving force for your overarching and overall business objectives. As one can understand in the life cycle or the nature of a business, you're trying to attract as many customers that fit within your ideal as possible. And so lead generation activities are crucial. And this doesn't just stop in the offline space. Lead generation is absolutely important and critical to establishing and growing your business online. So in the upcoming Social Media for Business workshop, we're going to be talking about lead generation and how it works and how you can actually implement various activities across your sales funnel and in your business that will actually encourage customers to sign up, to engage with you, to participate in some sort of action so that they join and function as a part of your digital sales funnel. Brands and businesses who want to survive have to absolutely understand how to navigate and how to use social media beyond just posting something for posting's sake, or beyond just being on the platform because they said it's good for me to be on there. We have to understand social media so that we can actually extract the real value out of it, and that we can use these various platforms because they are different, and each social media platform should be used in a slightly different way, and in some cases very different ways, in order to communicate with the actual customer who is on the other side. At the end of the day, what we have to remember is people still buy from people, and people still buy from people that and brands that they like. And so social media affords us the opportunity to humanize our brands and to communicate with people in ways that really were not possible before. And so I would think it's a no-brainer for persons who are serious about business, serious about building their brands, to learn how to use these different tools effectively, so that we can actually connect with our customers and engage with them in meaningful ways, both to the customer and to the brand or business itself. In this workshop, participants are going to learn a lot of things. On day one, we're dealing with content, community, and engagement. Now, in this session, participants are going to learn how to use content in order to actually build an active and engaged community, and a community that's also incentivized to assist you to reach your platform goals for your brand and your business to actually grow, right? And on day two, we're dealing with lead generation and conversion. So in that session, we're talking about how you can build an robust sales funnel, one that actually captures leads and converts these leads into sales. And so we're taking it from both angles and perspective, from building your community, what your content looks like and your engagement, and then carrying that over and completing the loop into how that converts into actions that you want for your customer to take, or a sale. So some sort of conversion.